So, hello, Amit. Welcome to Radio Olive. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
How are you?
I am.
Little tired.
I'm happy tired. I'm very
Okay.
excited. My series is coming on
Yeah.
Z5 on 22nd of Jan. I'm very excited, and I'm thankful to you that with you and all the listeners of your 106.3 FM
Yeah.
and all your listeners, and I'm excited to talk to you guys about my series.
Yeah. So the series, you know what? मैंने आपका ये trailer देखा and oh my God, I got goosebumps. And your role, army officer का role you are playing, and I think you look so perfect in that role. And मुझे लगता है ऐसा कि अमित साध अगर actor नहीं होते तो वो army officer होते. So that's my
Thank you.
perception. What about
Uh,
you? आपको क्या लगता है अमित अगर actor नहीं होते तो वो क्या होते?
Aisha, that's very kind of you, and it's a great compliment. I'm very grateful. Thank you. But if I am looking like an authentic soldier in this story,
Yeah.
Major Deep Singh Sanger, a huge credit goes to my writer, director,
जी.
Deep, Joy, Siddharth, my director Vishal. They've done a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
Of course, I've done hard work too, but it's a team effort, and this is our intention to be able to tell a great story of the great Indian Army.
Yeah.
And this amazing man, Major Deep Singh Sanger, and his wife. This is a very special story, and we are very excited that it is coming out, and we want
Yeah.
it to reach to as many people as possible.
Yeah, we are excited, 22nd of January को ये Z5 पर देखने के लिए. Trailer is amazing and in fact मैंने अपने show में भी लिया था and we were talking
Thank
about
you.
this trailer. So everyone is so excited. So let's go in details. Major Deep Singh के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. So tell us about your character. कैसे आपने इस character के लिए prep किया?
So it's a real life story. So there's no
Hmm.
imagination. We have
Yeah.
a lot of research, and but this character, the story is just not about this character. The story is also about his wife, Jaya Sanger.
जी.
It's also a story about the army behind the army. So we
Yeah.
generally show just about the army, but here we're also showing about their families, their support system, and it's a very inspiring story. And there are a lot of aspects in the series about mental health,
Yeah.
and we are hoping that when people watch it, they get more awareness. They can be more dialogue,
Yeah.
and so there's more to Jeet Ki Zid.
Hmm.
And one of the amazing aspects of this series also is that we've shown authentic, real special forces training,
Okay.
and a very authentic way of when you are in war-like situation, when you are in a covert operation. So we've done a lot of research and taken a lot of we've taken a route like very very painful,
Yeah.
with a lot keeping in mind that we have a lot of responsibility because we are telling a story of a real life soldier and we are representing the Indian Army.
Yeah.
But we also had great people with us guiding us. We had a real SF people. We had Colonel Galot, Ashok
Mhm.
Galot, who is an ex SF, his son Arjun.
Okay.
They were there 24/7 consulting us how to walk, how to use your weapon. So
Okay.
a lot of work has been gone, and even when he's on the wheelchair, a lot of research about how to walk, sit, the mental issue, how you know. So in all, we've done our best,
या
you know.
वो ट्रेलर
So
में
I just want
नज़र आ रहा है यस एंड
thank you.
बस इंतज़ार है 22nd ऑफ जनवरी का. बात करते हैं अमृता की बिकॉज़ वो भी इसमें है और आप उनके साथ पहले भी काम कर चुके हैं. सो हाउ वाज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद हर?
I mean, this is the first time we are doing like a full-fledged.
या बट काइपुछे में शी वाज़ देयर राइट?
Yeah, but I didn't have so much with her. So this is the first time we're doing a full-fledged kind of
ओके.
collaboration.
या.
And I can just say that I consider her as a good friend,
ओके. या.
and I always want the best for her, and I'm sure she wants the same with me. And I'm just very proud of her. This was a tough role for her,
ओके.
very
या.
tough role for her, and I think she's done it phenomenally well. The soul that she's got, the essence she's got of Jaya,
या.
and I think you will love her performance. She's really, really amazing.
या. ओके. सो ट्रेलर की बात करते हैं. सो ट्रेलर में नज़र आ रहा है कि एक इंसान की कहानी है जो गिरकर फिर से उठता है. So have you faced such a situation in your life? Because it's about determination and dedication not to fail. So what about you? मतलब I'm sure कि कभी ना कभी आपकी जिंदगी में भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आई होगी.
मैं तो रोज ही गिरता हूँ यार, एंड मैं हमेशा ही कहता हूँ कि गिरने से मत डरो, उठो, खरोच लग गई है तो मल्लम पट्टी करो, दवाई
And
डालो और फिर से चलो, रुकना नहीं है.
so I can
You gotta
say
keep.
कि अमित साध जो है he is example of never give up.
Right now, I would say I think Major Deep Singh Sengar is a bigger example.
Okay, yeah.
This story is a bigger example. Jaya Sengar is a bigger example. मैं भी कुछ हद तक के believe करता हूँ कि we should not give up. We
जी,
should keep pushing. We should keep working. We should keep basically गिर सकते हैं लेकिन रुकेंगे नहीं.
या नाइस। सो बात करते हैं आपकी पहली मूवी से, काय पो छे। एंड नाउ अभी दिस जीत आने वाली है, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं, आपको इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं लोग आपको फिर से देखने के लिए। सो 10 साल हो गए हैं आपको, सो 10 साल में अमित में कितना चेंज आया है? काय
यार
पो
ये
छे
सवाल
से
तो दूसरों
अभी?
से पूछना चाहिए ना यार.
नहीं,
ये सवाल तो मुझे नहीं
परफॉर्मेंस
पता बट मैं इतना.
ऑब्वियसली, या एज़ अ
सॉरी सॉरी
ह्यूमन
सॉरी.
बीइंग, एज़ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग आप में कितना
तो
चेंज आया
मैं
क्या?
सब दोस्तों से बोलता हूँ कि जब कोई किसी से मिलता है ना और बोलता है कि अरे तुम तो सेम हो,
हुँ,
तो अगर मुझे ऐसा कोई बोलता है तो आई डोंट टेक इट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट, क्योंकि अगर 10 साल हो गए और आप नहीं बदले
या
तो
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
आपने 10 साल वेस्ट कर दिए.
जी।
तो मैं जाहिर सी बात है, आई मीन आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव दैट आई हैव चेंज्ड फॉर द
हुँ,
गुड, एंड आई होप माय वर्क इज चेंजिंग. आई होप uh, I hope I'm becoming better in my work, in my behavior, in my communication. There's scope to become better every day,
या
and that should not be limited to 10 years or 20 years. That's a lifelong process.
हुँ। सो आपने शुरुआत करी थी टीवी से, आई रिमेंबर क्यों होता है प्यार, आई यूज्ड टू वॉच दैट सीरियल। आई यूज्ड टू वॉच एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट सॉन्ग, दैट म्यूजिक, क्यों होता है प्यार। ओह! सो टीवी से, ओह यू रिमेंबर राइट? ऑब्वियसली।
Of course, I remember.
या दैट सॉन्ग वाज़ सो कैची। सो क्यों होता है प्यार से मतलब टीवी से मूवीज़ में आना, हाउ इट हैपेंड, मतलब कैसे, कौन-सा वो दिन था जब आपको लगा कि यार चलो अभी आगे करना है, अभी ये करना है? सो ये कैसे हुआ?
काफी दिन there was a
हुँ,
long period of time
या
where I was just getting fascinated by the movies, and I think I'm very lucky and privileged that I keep getting opportunities to showcase
या
my talent, my hunger, and to be able to keep working hard and keep getting better.
या सो जैसे कि हमने कायपुछे का भी नाम लिया, एंड कायपुछे से एक बहुत बड़ा नाम भी जुड़ा हुआ है, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का। एंड आप उनके बहुत ही क्लोज रहे हैं, हम उनको सिर्फ इंटरव्यूज से, टीवी से जानते हैं और मूवीज से जानते हैं। पर जब भी उनका नाम होता है, इट्स नॉट इजी टू टॉक अबाउट हिम बिकॉज वी फील पेन। सो टुमारो इज हिज बर्थ डे, टू
I
ट्वेंटी फर्स्ट
know.
ऑफ जनवरी। या सो जब सुशांत का नाम आपके सामने आता है, सो वो कौन सी मेमोरी है जो सबसे पहले आपके सामने आती है? हु इज सुशांत फॉर यू? आपके लिए सुशांत क्या है?
I think for me, he was a life wire. He had so
या
much hunger and so much zeal to live life, and I think that kind of puts him apart from everyone else.
या एंड सुशांत की कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी जो आप चाहते हैं खुद में लेना?
I mean, I just think that उनका जो focus था, I
हम्म,
think he was very focused, uh, and his ability to create such amazing characters. I think he was a great artist.
या
And the good thing is, I mean, the sad thing is that he's not with us.
या
But the good thing is that we still have his work and we can continue celebrating him.
या वी कैन सेलिब्रेट हिज लाइफ ऑब्वियसली। आपकी मूवीज के बारे में बात करते हैं। सो सुल्तान में सलमान खान के साथ आपने काम किया, एंड हाउ वाज योर रिएक्शन जब आपको पहली बार पता चला, ओ फाइन, ओ आई एम गोना वर्क विद सलमान खान? सो हाउ वाज योर फीलिंग, एंड कहाँ
Of
पर थे आप,
course,
कैसे आपको पता चला?
I mean, of course, the first time when you meet Salman, so I mean, I was very, you know, lost. I didn't know, but I think he's a great guy. He gave me so much love, and just working with him and being on a film, such a big film like Sultan, it was a great experience, and
या
I will always cherish it. He's an amazing guy, and I love him,
या
you know. And Sultan is one of my, it's a film that I'm very proud of.
या ओके, थैंक यू सो मच हामिद, एंड ऑल द
Thank,
वेरी बेस्ट फॉर
thank you,
जीत की
thank you,
इज़्ज़त। एंड
thank you.
जितने भी लोग अभी आपको देख रहे हैं, उनके लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
मैं आई थिंक मोर देन द मैसेज, मैं होप करता हूँ कि you guys are, all your families and everyone is safe, healthy. I hope your jobs are safe, and if things are going south, please don't give up, be strong, and all people who are comfortable and who are happy, try to help others. That's the
थैंक यू।
only and pray for each other, take care of each other. If we stay together, we will survive this.
So nice of you. And one more thing, one of our RJs, Priyanka, she's big fan of you. So
Really?
it, yeah, you know, she's a big fan of you और आपको थोड़ा बहुत stalk भी करती है. So is there any message for her? मतलब आप उसको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? उसके लिए कोई message जो?
प्रियंका,
Yeah, Priyanka.
आप मुझे मैं मैसेज नहीं दूंगा, आप मुझे प्रियंका का इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बताओ,
Oh
मैं उसको
my
फॉलो करता
God.
हूँ.
RJ Priyanka.
Qatar India Radio
Yeah,
106.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Chal, let's leave a surprise for her.
Oh my God.
I'm following her now.
अभी मैं उससे treat लेने वाली हूँ.
I have just sent her a heart.
Oh my God.
Done.
Okay, thank you so much and बहुत प्यारा सरप्राइज है ये उसके लिए and all the very best. Thank you so
God bless
much.
you. Lots of love. Take care of
Yeah,
yourself.
lots of love to you
Thank
from Qatar and Radio Olive. Thank you so
thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.